time, all team. Prepare yourselves to wrap up today at 3:30 and be ready for cocktail hour on the fire dock. Beverages and oysters. This is mandatory.
That was good.
Hi, I'm Becky.
I'm Fraser. We live and work in the Great Bear Rainforest.
Join us while we test new ideas for our guests
And meet up with the amazing people in our community. Everyone works really hard out here, so it's important to take a moment and thank everyone. So tonight we're going to do lobster rolls and oysters with the crew in a little putt.
Talk to me, Jess. What's going on?
Well, we got some nice oysters here, man. So these guys, they're from my friend's farm in Shuck Basin. This is one of the best tasting oysters I've had in most of my oyster shucking career. I think people are going to enjoy this. This is a nice treat.
Whatever.
Oh, is Stemler coming down, or is that it? Is everybody here with Stemler? Wow. Okay, untie those lines. Thanks, Chris. Oh, I've been working so hard out here, so we always like to take moments and, take a break and just celebrate life.
We're going to cook some lobster, man.
Yeah.
It's staff party time.
Let's go take a look at Mount Stevens.
This is fun. I'm at Nimmo Bay doing a pop-up with Shuck Taylor's. Yeah, we got some beautiful oysters. We got some beautiful people. We have beautiful scenery. And it doesn't get better than this. And then I walk out the here and I go,
I was gonna say.
I think we're having the best time. There might be a little bit of smoldering, a little bit of fire, but we're having the best time.
Yeah, we're good. Back to it. That's good.
This is an oyster roast, which I've never experienced before. We're doing something that I've never even done. This is absolutely amazing.
Okay, a couple more here.